Crumbs chocolate cookies, and we're going to add a little twist. You want to know what the twist is going to be?
What?
Oreo crumbs.
Yeah!
And some crushed Oreos. And then we're going to do half of them with coconut as well. So this is a super easy and versatile cookie that you can do a lot of different things with and add a lot of different things to. Or they're also very good on their own, just as the chocolate cake cookies. And what we'll need is we're using a Devil's Food chocolate cake mix. You can really use any flavor that you want for this recipe. But we like chocolate. You like chocolate? I like chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
We have 8 ounces of cream cheese softened, 1 stick or half cup
I
of
like
butter
chocolate
softened.
too.
Yeah. And then we have 1 egg. And what we're going to do is we're going to cream the butter and the cream cheese first.
In the blender?
Mm-hmm.
I want to put the butter in the blender. In the blender. You should also need a towel for this, kids.
Here's a towel, baby.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. Okay. Now we have our butter.
Okay, now let's go.
All right, now we're going to cream it on low till it's nice and creamy.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, medium. How does it look?
It's good.
Looks nice and creamy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's add the egg. Now, if you were doing it all one flavor, you could add some vanilla extract if you just wanted it to be how it is now. If you wanted to add a flavor with extract, you could add any kind of extract, and you would just add half a teaspoon.
Now can I crack it?
Yep. Careful not to get the shell in there. Is there any shell in there? No? Good. All right,
Yeah, we don't want a shell in there.
Nope, no shell. Here, let me wipe off the egg over here real quick. Thank you.
And let me wipe off some egg back.
You got an egg over there. Okay, now we're going to mix in the egg, and then we will mix in our cake batter.
It's just butter and cream,
Butter,
so you don't want to lick it.
butter, cream cheese, and egg. Yeah, it probably doesn't taste very great right now.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me cut it open, please.
Can I pour in the cake mix?
You can.
Yeah. All by myself.
Well, be really careful because the bag can be messy. There we go. Good job. Let's mix in the cake mix. Now we want to do this on low so we don't create a...
Yeah. You don't want poof.
We do not.
They're like in our eyes. And we don't want that happen.
We have chocolate boogers.
Yeah. Those will be yummy.
Ew. I don't know about
Chocolate
that.
covered.
And this dough will be pretty thick too. Does smell good.
Brown and looks nice and sweet.
Nice and chocolatey. Okay, I think we're done.
We're done.
Now I'm going to take one of my scrapers and scrape it off. Okay, so now we have our batter all scraped down the sides, and we have separated in half since we're making 2 different flavors. If you're only making one flavor, then you can use the whole thing. We'll go ahead and make the Oreo ones first. You want to crush up these Oreos for me? Break them. Alright, what about these ones over here? I think that's see. Yep. Nice and crushed. You want to dump them in now? Let me get them all unstuck to the sides. Pour them in.
There's no way my smashing hands can exist anything.
I'm just going to stir these in. Ooh, that looks good. Extra chocolatey.
I think I might just eat the Oreo one first.
So we have our cookie sheet and we put some parchment paper on it. And we're going to use a scoop to scoop the dough.
Are we gonna put in the Oreo crumble?
Yes. So once you have our scoop of dough, we're going to scoop it right in the Oreo crumbs and then roll it around. I'm not to spill them all over. Might be easier to sprinkle them on the top. Okay, let's see. Got them all over? Yeah. And we'll put the balls on our sheet. Next up. And we'll continue doing this until this dough is done, and then we will make our coconut dough. Okay, so we have our cookies all rolled and covered in Oreo crumbs. Don't they look yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Do you just want to eat one now?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Maybe we might sneak some dough in a minute. Yeah? And we're going to bake these at 350 degrees for 12 to 14 minutes. And we will be back to show you what they look like when they're done. We will also be prepping our coconut cookies, and we'll show you what those look like before they go in also.
If you don't want to make coconut ones, that's fine. If you do and you don't want to make Oreo ones, you don't have to.
Right, you can make them just plain old chocolate, in which case I would recommend that you roll them in powdered sugar, and then they'd be like chocolate crinkle cookies.
Crinkle, crinkle.
Alright, so for the coconut ones, we're going to add half a teaspoon of coconut emulsion.
Can I pour it?
Yes. Hold on. Uh-oh, our timer's going off for our other cookies. Alright, pour it in quick. Let me check on our other cookies. Make sure they aren't burning.
I hope they don't.
So we have mixed in our coconut extract or emulsion, and we are going to pour in 1/4 cup of shredded sweetened coconut. You want to put it in?
Can you please let go of it?
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
None.
We'll mix that in, and then we are going to roll them in coconut. Coconut. Now that we have our coconut and our extract mixed into our dough, we're going to use the same scoop we used before. Put a scoop in the coconut and cover it in coconuts. Coconuts. Are you coconuts?
No.
You're not coconuts?
Because I don't like coconut.
Have you ever tried coconuts?
No.
No? You might like them. Alright, so we're going to continue doing this for all of our coconut cookies, and we're going to cook them again for 12 to 14
I'm
minutes.
out for 1 second.
We'll be back.
Bye. Hi everybody, we're back.
Our cookies are done. Here we have the coconut, here we have the Oreo. The coconut took 13 minutes at 350 and the Oreo took 14 minutes at 350. Are we ready to try them?
Mm-hmm.
I think you are. How is it? Hot? You want me to try one of the Oreo ones? Let's see. Oh my goodness. That is delicious. Should they make these at home?
Make them everything at home almost.
Make them every day at home almost.
Yeah, they're so good.
They are delicious. All right, well, there you have it, and we hope that you have fun mixing and matching your flavors with these cookies, and we will see you next time.